Well, as normally my day goes, the hole in the new breakaway switch does not fit this bolt. And currently that I'm in the laydown yard, I do not have a drill. So guys, this is the location of the battery breakaway switch. Wires feed in through here and then come down to this junction box right here. So I'll unbolt that. I'll show you what I'm looking at once I get it. So guys, the next thing, I'm back onto the breakaway switch that I left the other day because I didn't have a drill bit. So we're just going to get this hole here drilled out in the bracket, and then we'll mount it back up in place, get the wires hooked up. I'll show you that when we get it all wired up. Okay guys, so we got that breakaway switch wired back in, got the cover put back on the box. Jeremy's just going to get some wire loom here now, and in case those wires, just for some protection. Guys, I apologize for the lighting. It's not very good here today. If anybody's worked with this wire loom, you know it's a bear to get the wires in. It seems like you fight for every inch you get.
That's why you got me doing it?
Pretty much, yes. Jeremy, that might actually make it to the video. Okay guys, here it is, all loomed together, nice and protected. Hey guys, so we did find some problems with the wiring down here. The colors don't match up, so I'm going to disassemble it all and check it right from the truck to start. So I'll just set you up and let you have a look when we take it apart. It's a little bit cold here today. Hey guys, I just wanted to jump in here. The problem that I did find was that at some point someone had changed the wiring in the plug that goes to the truck. So the wires in this box actually matched colors, but when I just changed the plug and matched them up color for color, it actually ended up blowing the fuse in the truck for the battery charge, and none of the lighting would work. And then at that point, I didn't even know which wire was for what heading back to the trailer. So it just became easier to disassemble it, check each wire to find out what function, and tidy it up. So this was a really cold day, never got really good audio here, but yeah, I just wanted to bring you up to speed on why we had to take it apart again. I'm going to take this box completely out so I can tidy up the wires. Oh, these are crimp connectors. I do like to put a bit of heat shrink on them just to make them look a little tidier.
Say hi. Say hi, Bruno. Bruno, say hi. Bruno, say hi. Say hi, Bruno. Bruno. Bruno, say hi. Hey, say hi. Good boy. Say hi again. Say hi, Bruno. Bruno, say hi.
Okay, guys, this is when I got all the wiring from the truck back into the box remounted. So I did label all those wires to the correct color in that box. The wires leading back to the trailer, the only ones that actually matched the proper colors was the white for the ground and the blue for the trailer brakes. Honestly, I can't remember now which other colors matched up to the back, but I do know the black wire actually did nothing going to the trailer. So anyway, now any moving forward, you can actually count on the colors from the truck being right, and we'll go from there. The battery charge is actually working now. You'll see a picture of that actually charging, so that will mean my breakaway will actually work. This was a little frustrating getting it all figured out, especially when it was just supposed to be a simple trailer plug change. But we got it done. guys, these little heat shrink connectors, they work great. They have a little bit of solder in the middle, and as you heat shrink them, it actually solders the two connections. In cold weather, it does take a little bit longer for them to actually work, but they do give a real good connection, and it's really nice and tidy. I loved working with them, and actually, this is the first time I've worked with them. I normally use heat shrink crimpable connector, but yeah, for my wiring now, these are my go-to. This is the battery for my breakaway switch and my trailer brakes. That indicator there is showing you that the battery is actually charging now. One is fully charged, it'll go green. Before I had a red light, but it gave me a fault. We're just checking out the brakes, the lighting actually here now. Showing that we got indicators. All lights are working right around her. Nice thing I do like about this trailer, all these lights are LEDs. This is a nice little touch. Well guys, figured out that wiring was a bit of a chore, but it's all buttoned back up again now. So just got to finish off the brakes, and this trailer should be good to go for the next week. But like I said, I still have to do the ramps and figure that out, but we'll get there. It's really not fun doing this in cold. Your fingers get kind of nippy. Hey guys, once again, thanks for watching. I hope you're enjoying what we're putting out. Got some exciting stuff coming up in the near future. We are building a little dump truck. It's a 1977 International Loadstar 1700. It was an old grain truck. We are now putting a gravel box on it, and you'll see that stuff coming up. There's definitely going to be some interesting videos coming out of that. Yeah, so don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. It really means a lot to the channel. It helps the channel grow. And the more subscribers I get, the more time I can invest into making these videos. So I appreciate the support. And as always, God bless. Have a good night.